Here's the thing is I created these affirmations to replace fear with faith. And when I say faith, let me give context. It's a very loaded word. You can place your faith in whatever you place your faith in. Meaning, if your faith is in God or a higher power and you believe that God will heal you, then that's where you place your faith. I'm talking about faith in the outcome, right? Faith in your ability to heal, your ability to follow through, to do everything in your power. So when I say faith, again, you can place it wherever you want. If your faith is in your pinky and you're like, because of this magical pinky, I will, make $1 million, or I will achieve this goal, or I will beat cancer, or I will whatever. So where you place your faith is only consequential in the negative if it's in something that is variable, like it's in your lucky shoes and then you lose them and now you're like, oh God, right? But if it's in a constant, such as yourself, such as God, it's in a constant that isn't going to get lost or stolen or fall away. You know what I mean? Put your faith wherever you want.